Here are the most common mortgage myths that I hear that keep people from picking up the phone and calling somebody like me to get themselves pre-approved to purchase a home. So first is the employment myth. People think they need to have 2 years history at the same exact job. Guess what? Total myth. You do not need to be at your same employer for 2 years. In fact, while it's preferred to be at the same line of work for 2 years, it's actually not even necessary that you're in the same line of work for 2 years. College can even be used as employment history. You're going to college, you got yourself a degree, you went and got a job in your field. Great. College can be used as work history. But the bottom line is if you started a new job yesterday, you're starting a new job in 3 weeks. That should not keep you from trying to go get approved for a mortgage. Hit us up. We'll definitely help you out with that one. So number 2, I've got some notes down here so I don't miss all these things. There's a credit myth out there. The credit myth that's out there is I need to go pay off all my debts before I go apply. Student loans, they're going to keep me from getting approved. I got to pay off or down my credit card so my credit scores go up as high as possible. And while it may be true that having a higher credit score is better, you're going to get better rates. You're going to get potentially better programs. A mortgage professional should be able to look at your credit now. And if you've got some improvements that can be made, be able to tell you exactly what to do. Now, I think it's a huge mistake to go pay off those credit cards in preparation for getting pre-approved for a mortgage. And the reason is because now you're separating yourself from your money, right? You had money in the bank and now you don't have money in the bank. And guess what? If you needed that money to purchase a home, you now don't have the money to purchase a home. Okay. So don't go do that. Get an application done. Soft credit pull with us, right? Soft credit pull is a huge deal, huge game changer to where people don't need to feel as though their credit's getting impacted just by trying to figure out where they're at to purchase a home, right? So don't go do that. Don't go make that mistake. You pick up the phone now. Your mortgage professional with a soft credit pull should be able to guide you through exactly what needs to be done if there's something needs to be done with credit. Most of the time, though, I'm going to tell you, the people who have this concern already have high enough credit scores that getting a little higher and not going to do anything for them. So anyways, hit us up. We're going to talk through that one as well. The next one, the misconception is I don't have enough money. People want to have a down payment. People want to have closing costs. People want to have extra money in the bank after they close so they have a rainy day fund. Guess what? That's awesome. I love that for you. But if you don't have all that stuff lined up, there are programs out there that can potentially help you for that, especially for you first-time home buyers out there. There is so much available for first-time home buyers. If assets are the one thing holding you up to where you're sitting there going, I can't buy anything because I don't have enough money for the down payment, for closing costs, for a little extra saved up in the bank for moving, whatever it is, that again, just another excuse, right? The excuse of credit, I need to pay everything down. I'm not going to call. The excuse if I don't have enough assets, I'm not going to call. The excuse if I just started a new job, those are all excuses. Every single one of those things, potentially a myth. And the myth is going to keep you from making that call and actually getting a plan in place. I'm not saying you're ready today. I have no idea if you're ready today. But what I am saying is that today is the day you should be ready to put the plan together, right? What do we need from you? Not much. Right? In income, we're taking a couple of pay stubs, maybe some W-2s for those self-employed borrowers out there, maybe some tax returns. A lot of that stuff these days is actually automated. Your companies work with larger payroll companies who have contracts that automate that income through to us. Sometimes we don't need any of it, but when we do, very minuscule, maybe a couple of pay stubs for most of your salaried borrowers, salaried or hourly, that have consistent number of hours, real easy. The assets, what are we doing? That literally your bank has signed contracts with third-party providers that, with your permission, will feed the read-only information to us. So you don't even have to lift a finger on that either. You go to your bank and say, yes, send, and it sends us over a history, right? So it couldn't be easier. The time could not be easier right now when it comes to documentation requirements. So what I'm going to say is this. Get out of your head that you need to be perfect right now to pick up the phone, to call, to get pre-approved. Because guess what? You don't. And if you call a loan officer that all it says is, sorry, you're not perfect, see you later, come back when you are, you're not talking to the right person, right? They're doing a disservice to the entire industry by treating you like that. If you're trying to buy a house, you should be able to pick up that phone. You could call us. I know that will help. You should call us. Pick up that phone, fill out that application, do a soft credit pull, and get on the phone And you're either ready today or you're not. If you're ready today, awesome. We're going to connect you with an agent. We're going to get you out there searching for a house. But guess what? If you're not ready, that's cool too. We're going to give you a very clear path to get there. That's it. That's what you need, right? Instead of guessing, oh, do I pay off debts? Oh, I need to be at my job a little bit longer. Oh, wait a second. I don't have enough assets in the bank. Forget about it. Stop guessing. Pick up the phone, give us a call, fill out the app, get on the phone. We're going to talk through all that stuff. If you're ready today, great. If you're not, you're leaving today with a roadmap to get there, and not just a roadmap, but a timeline. I think that's just important, is a timeline. How long is it going to take? I'm here today. I need to be here. Is it going to take me 3 months? Is it going to take me 12 months? We're going to have that conversation, and we're going to get you that roadmap to buying a house, whether it be today or next year, whatever it is. Hit us up. It's Brad, the mortgage guy with the Salerno team. We'd love to be your lender, licensed nationwide. We'll talk to you soon. We'll see you on the next one.